Good morning, students. Now we are going in exercise 7.4 option exercise. Fifth sum we are going to verify now.
Fifth question.
The fifth question, if you observe, means what they given in the fifth question. The class 10 students of a secondary school in Krishna Nagar have been allotted the rectangular plot of land regarding the activity. So here ABCD is a rectangular plot given for the 10th class student for activity. Here one triangle is formed here. That one triangle is formed here. That is PQR, PQR, that over here. If there are one triangle is there, it is ABCD is a rectangle. In this rectangle, first what they are asking? First they are asking by taking A as a center. That means A as center means what will happen? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This you can take the numbers. And this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now, if you take the center means what will happen? AD is x-axis, AD x-axis and AB as y-axis, x-axis. Now what are the points of P and Q are? P, Q, R. P is 4, 6, Q is 3, 2 and R is 6, 5. From this x-axis, you can take the points P, Q, R. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. P is taken like this and then y-axis. P and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this we can take. So, this is origin. O is center and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is y-axis. Now, if we take the x-axis and y-axis, we get the points. What are the points we are going to get? P is 4, 6, Q is 3, 2 and R is 6, 5. What they are asking? So, we need to find area of triangle PQR. When first question is by taking A as center, we get the 3 different points. By the case 1 is when the center is O and AD and AB are x and y axis, we are going to get the 3 points 4, 6, 3, 2 and 6, 5. Now I am going to get area of triangle. Now area of triangle PQR equal to half modulus x1 y2 minus y1 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y1 that equal to half modulus. This is x1 y1, x2 y2 and this is x3 y2. Half modulus x1 4 into y2 minus y3, 2 minus 5 plus 3 into x2 into y2 minus y1, 5 minus 6 plus 6 into x3 into y1 minus y2, 6 minus 2. Now half modulus 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 6 into 4. That equal to half modulus 4 3s are plus into minus 12 plus into minus 3 plus 6 4s are 24. That equal to half modulus. These two minus 2 terms you can add minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 plus 24. That equal to half modulus 24 minus 15 9. That equal to 9 by 2 square units. So area of triangle PQR equal to what will happen? Area of triangle PQR equal to 9 by 2 square units. This is equation number 1 or first case. Now in the second case, what they said? In the second case, what they said in the second case? Taking what will the coordinates of the triangle PQR if C is origin? C is a origin. Now what will happen? Now this will be diagonally ulta, completely. So you can take taking C as origin and A, B, C, D. Now this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now if you take a triangle PQR, PQR is there. Now if we take the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here also y-axis also we can give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Now in this case we are going to get the values. Now C is the center. That means what will happen? Case 2. Case 2 what will happen? C as a center. C as a center. Now what is x-axis? BC is x-axis and CD is y-axis. CD is y-axis. CD is the y-axis. Now we are going to get the points P, Q and R. P is 12, 2 and Q is 13, 6 and R is 10, 3. If C is the center, we are going to get the 3 points 12, 2, 13, 6 and 10, 3. Now in this case we are going to find out area of triangle PQR equal to half modulus. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. x3 y3. Half modulus x1 12 into 6 minus 3 plus 13 into x2 into y3 minus y1 3 minus 2 plus 10 into 2 minus 6, that equal to half modulus 12 into 6 minus 3 3 plus 13 into 3 minus 2 1 plus 10 into 2 minus 6 minus 4, that equal to half modulus 12 3s are 36 plus 13 minus 10 4s are minus 40, that equal to half modulus 49 minus 40 modulus, that equal to half modulus 9, that equal to 9 by 2. So when the case 1, what is the case 1 given? When by taking A as center we get the 3 points PQR. By using the PQR as the center A and we get the points, and finding area of triangle is what value came? 9 by 2 square units. Second case what they are asking, taking C as center, and BC is x-axis and CD is y-axis, we are getting the 3 points 12 2, 13 6 and 10 3. By using the 3 points I am going to get the area also 9 by 2 square units. 9 by 2 square units. So here case 1 equal to case 2. In both cases, therefore both cases area is equal. Both cases area is equal. When case taking A as center also 9 by 2 and taking C as center also, the area of triangle is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. This is the fifth sum. So area of triangle, what is the formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into x3 y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. This is the area of a triangle formula. Now, what is section formula? Section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Next, second one is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now, if you come to the sixth question, if observe the sixth question means, in sixth question, what they given? They given one triangle AB and C and D, E also given and G also given. Then they given some ratio. What ratio they given? AD by sixth question. They given some ratio. What ratio they given? AD by AB. AD by AB equal to 1 by 4. That equal to AE by EC. That means the total ratio is 4. Total parts 4, and this one ratio we need to find. From this, first AD by AB equal to 1 by 4. From this, AB by AB, reverse of this one, 4 by 1. So AD by AB equal to 1 by 4. Now AB take reverse means AB by AD equal to 4 by 1. Now AB means what you can write? AB means what you can add? AD plus DB. AD plus DB we can add. Now AB means what you can write? AD plus DB by AD equal to 4 by 1. 4 by 1. Now here, numerator there are two values are there, we can split and write. Now AD by AD plus DB by AD equal to 4 by 1. AD by AD means what is that? Both cancel means 1 plus DB by AD equal to 4 by 1. Now this 4 by 1 I can split like this. 1 plus 3 by 1. 1 plus 3 by 1. Now check out 1 plus dB by AD. Now take LCM means 1 ones are 1 plus 3 by 1, that equal to 4 by 1. So how can I? 4 by 1 is as 1 plus 3 by 1. Now this one cancel means, now what will happen? dB by AD equal to 3 by 1 or 3:1 we are going to get. Now AD dB by AD. Now this will be written reverse means what will happen? AD by reverse of this one. AD by dB equal to 1 by 3 or 1:3. So this is AD 1 and dB is 3. D is a section formula. Now we are going to apply that. Now what are the coordinates of A? A is 4, 6 and B is 1, 5 and C is 7, 2. 7, 2. Now AD, what ratio divides? 1:3. Now I am taking vertical. A, D, A, B and divides ratio D 1:3. This is M1, this is M2. Now we are going to find out coordinates of D as well as coordinates of E. After that, area of triangle AE and then ABC, both areas we are going to find. So first D coordinates. A is 4, 6 and B is 1 comma 5. B is 1 comma 5. Now section formula dx comma y equal to dx comma y equal to how we get m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is x coordinates and y coordinates m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. These are the y coordinates. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Now d equal to dx comma y equal to d equal to m1. 1 means 1. 1 into x2. x2 means 1. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1. 3 into 4 by 1 m1 plus 1 plus 3 and y coordinate m1 y2 1 into 5 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus that equal to 1 ones are 1 plus 3 fours are 12 by 4 then 5 1 5s are 5 plus 6 3s are 18 by 4 that equal to now what will come 13 by 4 13 by 4 23 by 4. Now d coordinates d equal to 13 by 4 23 by 4. Now we get the d value. D was equal to the d coordinates are 13 by 4 comma 23 by 4. Now similarly, now we get the d value. Now we are going to find out e value. So here also similarly same ratio we get same simplification. We get the same simplification and get the same value for this. This also divided into 1:3. Now if you take A is 4 comma 6 and C is 7 comma 2. C is 7 comma 2 and divides the ratio E. It is 1:3. This is m1. This is m2. This is m2 and this is x1 y1 and here x2 y2. x2 y2. Now E equal to m1 x2 1 into 7 plus 3 into 4 by 1 plus 3 m1 y2 1 into 2 plus 3 into 6 by 1 plus 3 that equal to 7 plus 12 by 4 2 plus 6 3s are 18 by 4 that equal to 7 19 by 4 20 by 4 or 20 by 4 or we write 5 also. This is E. Some E coordinates are 19 by 4 20 by 4 or 5. These are the E coordinates. E coordinates are what will get E coordinates? 19 by 4 20 by 4 are the E coordinates. And then what they are asking in the question? What they are asking? So compare the areas. We are going to compare the both areas. We are going to compare both the areas. First triangle is we can I will draw one right there. So we are going to find out both the areas. So here using section formula, I am going to find out D and E values. D and E values. So D is 13 by 4 and E is 19 by 4 20 by 4. Here we are going to get two values. Now which triangle I am going to find out now? Now I am going to find out area of triangle ADE. ADE. A is 4 6. D is 13 by 4 20 13 by 4 comma 23 by 4 then is 19 by 4 comma 20 by 4. Area of triangle AD equal to half modulus x1 4 into y2 minus 23 by 4 half modulus 4 into 23 by 4 minus 20 by 4 plus x2 13 by 4 into 20 by 4 minus 6 plus 19 by 4 into 6 minus 23 by 4 modulus. Now half modulus 4 into take LCM 23 minus 20 by 4 plus 13 by 4 into 4 ones 5 minus 6 plus 19 by 4 into take LCM 6 fours are 24 minus 23 by 4. Now half modulus this 4 cancel 20 minus 3 plus 13 by 4 into minus 1 plus 19 by 4 into 24 minus 3 4 by 4 modulus. Now half modulus 3 plus into minus 13 by 4 plus 19 by 4 into 4 by 4 1. Now half modulus 3 minus 13 plus 19 by 4. These two are like terms. Now half modulus 13 minus 3 plus 7 by 4. Now if you take LCM means half modulus 7 fours are 28 by 28 plus 7 by 4. Now here 24 minus 23 1. So 1 by 4. 4 fours are 16. Here what we write? If you observe here 1 by 2 modulus 3 minus 13 by 4 plus 3 minus 13 by 4 plus 19 ones are 19 4 fours are 16. Now half modulus what is the LCM? LCM is 16. So 3 by 1 into 16 minus 13 by 4 into 4 into 4 plus 19 by 16 into 1 that equal to half modulus 13 6 are 48 by 16 minus 3 4 3s are 12 1 4 1s are 52 by 16 plus 19 by 16. If you simplify this, what will happen? Half modulus 48 minus 52 plus 19 by 16. That equal to half modulus. If to simplify means 48 minus 52 minus 4 plus 19 by 16. That equal to half modulus 19 minus 4 15 by 16. That equal to 15 ones are 15 by 32. So area of triangle ADE equal to 15 by 32 square units. This is ADE triangle. Next triangle what they are asking? ABC. Next what they are asking? ABC. Now I am going to verify area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC. A are 4, 6 and B is 1, 5 and C is 7, 2. Now area of triangle ABC equal to half modulus 4 in x1 into y2 minus y3, 5 minus 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 6 plus 7 into 6 minus 5 modulus. Now half modulus 4 into 3, 5 minus 2, 3 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 7 into 1. Half modulus 12 minus 4 plus 7, that equal to half modulus 12 minus 4 8 plus 7, that equal to 15 by 2 square units. Now what they are asking in the question, now we are going to compare. Now area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC, that equal to area of triangle ADE what came 15 by 32 by 15 by 2, that equal to 15 by 32 into reciprocal, it means 2 by 15. Now that equal to 15 into 2 by 32 into 15. This 15 cancel. 2 by 32. 2 ones, 2 16s. 1 by 16 or 1 is to 16. 1 is to 16. So first we find the DEF. They given some condition. From this D we want to find by using section formula, and also similarly by using 1:3. AD is AC is joining the points by using the section formula. E also finding. After that we are going to find out area of triangle ADE and also area of triangle AB.